All right, so I don't know where you're at in terms of class graph paper, but if you need the pink graph paper, there's some up here. You only need 2 of them, so check your graph paper if you need them. If you have 2 on another one, that's great. Let's save paper, conserve, reduce, reuse, recycle. So come grab. All right, so from Friday, what are the 2 methods to graphing an absolute value? 2 different ways to graph an absolute value. T-chart's one of them, okay? So if I were doing this one by a T-chart, I would have to make myself a T-chart, and then I'd do 2 negative values, 0 and 2 positive values. Okay. Hopefully find the V in those 5 points. If we didn't find the V in those 5 points, I'd have to do more to find the V. Okay? All right? And so on and so forth. What was the other method? Times the absolute value of x minus h, then plus k. And on that one, the vertex is what? So h comma k, but we think visually, we think oppositely with h. Okay? And what's the other part with that one? A is what? Of what? No. The right side slope. Okay. So according to that, that puts me with a vertex at 3, comma, negative 4. That would give me a right side slope of 1/2. That would give me a left slope of negative 1/2. Then I can connect them. And there's my graph. Agree? Okay. Using any method that you choose, please graph this one. I get a vertex at the point negative 4, comma 2. I get a right side slope of negative 3 and a left side slope of positive 3. There and there. There and there. There and there. Agree? Just when you think you have all the answers, then I'm one of those mean old teachers that goes and changes the question. Okay? So then the other half of this section is coming up with the equation of an absolute value graph. given the actual graph. Okay? So first thing that you would do here is you would say, well, where's that vertex point? That's that vertex point. Ooh, this is a bad graph. There we go. Now it's fixed. So first we get the coordinates of that vertex point, which to me is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down 2. So that would be at the vertex of 4, comma, negative 2. That's important because that is H and K. The slope of the right side of my absolute value, up 1, up 2, up 3, to the right 1, that would be a slope of 3 over 1. That's important because the right side slope is our A value. So we need to fill in now y equals A times the absolute value of the quantity x minus h, then plus k. So that's going to be y, or it could be f of x, one of the two. Right side slope is A, that's 3, times the absolute value of the quantity x minus h. H is 4, so it's x minus 4. Then plus k, which is really minus 2. And now we've come up with the equation for that one. Okay. Questions on that? What I'd like you to do now is I would like you to find the equation of this absolute value graph. Vertex I get at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be at negative 5, comma 4. Slope of the right side, I get down 1, right 2. That means negative 1 over 2. So that gives me y equals negative 1/2 times the absolute value of x minus negative 5. So that's x plus 5, then plus k, which is 4. Agree? Sometime before, well, in the next 35 minutes, I fully expect you to complete the worksheet that I'm going to hand out. If you haven't completed the 2.5 day 1 homework, you can be working on that. And then it needs to be turned into the turn-in folder right there.